Hey YouTube, Brittany Mills here. So I wanted to do a video today on a new subscription that I subscribe to. It is called HelloFresh. So like I said, it's new for me. One of the reasons why I'm trying it out because, you know, trying to figure out what different ways to cook faster that'll make it easier for me and on my life, because I still work a regular 9-to-5 job. So I'll just be showing you what I ordered. So I did it for 2 people, for myself and my son, and I did for 4 meals for the week. The subscription is every week. You can skip a week, you can change your meal, the type of meal that you want sent to you. So yeah, I'll get started and show you guys what I ordered. So it came in this box, packaged up. So here is one of the meals that I ordered, and this is how it look. It is, so this meal is blackened chicken panini, and I give a brief description of everything that it comes with, like down here at the bottom. And then on the back it give you the recipe as well, and how to prep for it. That's that one. So I got this one for my son, which is the beef and cheese tostadas. I really don't eat much meat, basically pescatarian, so I eat a lot of seafood. But the same with this one. They have all the ingredients down at the bottom, and they have the recipe also at the back. And this one is crispy Southwestern chicken cutlets, and the same with this one. They have all the ingredients at the bottom and the recipe at the back. And it also have the prep time, the total time it will cook it, and also the calories. So that's pretty cool. And here's the 4th one, which is Balsamic Fig Chicken. And the same again, they have the ingredients that's included in the box, the prep time, the total time it will take, and how many calories it is, and also the recipe at the back. And when you're placing an order, it does state that they don't include like the butter and the olive oil. So when I ordered it, when it comes like this package. And here go all the ingredients. Like here's the blackened chicken panini. Here is the all ingredients for the Southwest chicken cutlets. Here is the beef and cheese tostadas. And the Balsamic Fig Chicken. And of course, you know, ice packs. Chicken strips right here to go with the chicken. To go with the recipe. Here's the rest of the chicken for each meal. And of course the ground beef for the tacos. So again, like I said, I started this subscription to help me out with cooking during the week or any time that I'm working, because sometimes my hours can change. I'm excited to see you know, how everything works, and you know, as far as me putting it together and the prep time. I know their prep time can be different from mine. Depends on how, you know, how fast I move. So yeah, so I thought I'd do a video as far as my first time ordering HelloFresh. And also one of the reasons why I order is because like I said, I've been wanting to try it, but I had like a I think it was a $90 off for the next 4 weeks. So it was $40 off for this first week. I think it's $30 off the next week, and so on, until the total is up to $90. But yeah, again, I just wanted to do a video on the HelloFresh. I think I'm gonna enjoy it because this will save me time, especially due to what's going on out here in the world. Save me time not having to go to the store, which I don't go to the store a lot because I just don't. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This may help some, not all, but it's okay. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video. So I do thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.